Greetings, techno enthusiasts. The one and only Big Poppa Code is here, ready to unveil another coding gem from his treasure trove. Today, we're sliding not on the dance floor, but through arrays and strings, exploring the phenomenal sliding window technique. Let's get this party started. Ever wondered how to deal with extensive data sets without getting tangled in the complexities of nested loops? How can we minimize repetitions and maximize efficiency in our algorithms? Imagine a bustling marketplace. It's vibrant, noisy, and overflowing with stalls. Now, instead of absorbing everything, you use a magical magnifying glass to focus on a small segment of the market. As you stroll, the view inside your magnifying glass shifts, always maintaining the same size, but revealing new stalls, ensuring you catch every detail without feeling overwhelmed. It's a controlled, moving viewpoint. In the world of algorithms, the sliding window technique is our magical magnifying glass. It involves creating a window of a fixed size and then sliding it across your data set like an array or string to examine a subset of data. This window can either grow or shrink depending on the problem at hand. It's a brilliant method to keep track of a subset of data in a larger data set, making tasks like finding a subarray or substring of desired attributes more efficient, often reducing time complexity significantly. So, just as our magnifying glass allowed us to absorb the beauty of the marketplace in bite-sized shifting views, the sliding window technique lets us efficiently process large data sets by focusing on manageable chunks, one slide at a time. We're optimizing our journey, making sure we capture every detail without retracing our steps unnecessarily. Alright, let's dive into how this JavaScript function works. Just like we're navigating a bustling marketplace with a magical magnifying glass in hand. First up, we define our function, maxSubArraySum. Think of this as setting up our scene. We have our marketplace, represented by the array R, and our magnifying glass, which is the window size K. Now, if our marketplace doesn't have as many stalls as our magnifying glass can cover, we simply walk away. That's a null return right there. No point in trying to see what isn't present, right? Next, we take our first look through the magnifying glass. We sum up the essence of the first K stalls. This initial sum, it's our baseline, setting the stage for what we find captivating as we start our stroll. As we move through the market, we really put that magnifying glass to work. We're shifting it one stall at a time, always keeping it filled with K stalls. For each step, we subtract the stall that's slipping out of our view and add in the newcomer. It's seamless. No muss, no fuss, just a smooth transition to keep the view fresh. With every shift, we're constantly comparing. Is this segment more vibrant than the last? If what we see now, the current sum of experiences, beats our previous high, we update our best memory to this new peak. Once we've made our way through the entire market, maxSum holds onto the memory of the most dynamic, the most vibrant segment we've observed. It's like capturing the best moment of our market stroll in vivid detail. So there you have it. Our journey through the array with our sliding window technique mimics a thoughtful stroll through a lively marketplace. We're using that magnifying glass not just to see, but to focus, to capture, to really absorb the finest details without feeling overwhelmed by everything around us. And that's how we manage to appreciate every detail in a controlled yet thoroughly effective manner. Keep this technique in mind, and you'll be navigating complex data sets like a pro, capturing insights and efficiencies with every step. Mastering the sliding window technique is akin to having a superpower in the coding universe. When implemented correctly, it can drastically reduce processing times and elevate the elegance of your solution. It's the fine dance of balance, precision, and dexterity, ensuring your algorithms run as smoothly as a well-oiled machine. And thus, we slide to the end of another enlightening session. If today's deep dive helps shed light on a cloudy concept, give it a thumbs up. To keep riding this wave of coding enlightenment, hit that subscribe button, share the knowledge, spread the love, and let's keep this digital party alive. Remember, with every line of code, you're crafting digital poetry. So until our screens cross again, keep those brackets in line, and may your code be ever bug-free. Peace, family. See you next time. To stay in touch and chat with me, directly text CODE to me at 404-962-0908. I will also notify you about new episodes and local events in your area that I am attending. If you do social media, follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube with the username Big Poppa Code, and definitely listen to the podcast on YouTube, Spotify, Apple, and iHeartRadio.
Man, they call me Mr. CTO. I'm the one that you should call when you learn to code. Success follow me around if you didn't know. From the bottom, so the top, the only way to go. Yeah, man, they call me Mr. CTO. I'm the one that you should call when you learn to code. Success follow me around if you didn't know. From the bottom, so the top, the only way to go. In this game from a humble beginning, but now we winning. Came up playing the bat like apprentice, but I removed the limits. I started studying my craft, knew that I could do it.